Nice to meet you, Kris.
Hello.
You lead in one of the greatest protocols on Sui.
Thank you.
And what new features we can expect for in Scallop for users? Maybe new events.
New features. Currently, we are upgrading our Scallop tools. You will have you can combine swap or flash long using UI in Scallop tool very soon. And then we listing many new assets recently. We also planning to list like Morris LST, and then maybe Heddle will also join the mempool in the near future. And then for other new, we don't have much new feature recently, but we improve many small features, and they have small new features like you can swap all of the dust from Scallop to in Scallop mini wallet, and then swap it to SCA with one click powered by Scallop Swiss PTB. And then we keep upgrading our UI and also our SDK, including SweetKit and Scallop SDK. And then other new features, bigger, I cannot tell right now, but it will coming in the upcoming few months. And then for new campaigns, including current running one is Nightly one, and another one is Backpack one. These both we have more than 10K reward if you no matter lending or borrowing on Nightly or Backpack. Yeah, you have chance to win some good
nice.
SCA amount. Yeah.
Great. What do you think about future of lending and borrowing protocols? What features can expand it on new level? UX features, maybe something AI features. What can help lending borrowing protocols leading to mass adoption?
This is a very good question, and then I think Scallop currently already did something pretty good job for this direction. For example, we are the only one that separate the lending assets and collateral assets on Sui. It make our lending and borrowing protocol reach the max risk management level in the whole industry. Nobody did it as well. Yeah, and also Scallop has our VE token model. You can lock your SCA to VSCA. It's make our VSCA can be the utility token for our protocol, including you can unlock the Yao Boost referral program and borrowing fee share, and even some like a milestone-based loyalty program, some revenue share. And then on Sui, also nobody is doing this. So I think these two angles are just like I think will be the killer function for lending and borrowing protocol, and especially Scallop is currently doing it. And of course, UI UX always there's must the users like your UI or complain about your UI, right? So it's already been a while, but I want to emphasize this. Scallop have two kinds of UI. First, we call it pro version. Second, we call it light version. Okay. If you like the complex one with all the parameters, you want to know every detail, yeah, usually use the pro version. And if you like the UI is very clean, light, only show the most important metric, you can choose the light one. And then I think combined with the smart contract feature, token utility, risk management, and user experience, these are the key points to make a lending and borrowing protocol to the lead. Yeah.
Great. My Scallop tokens in staking right now.
Thank you.
And we met on AI conference, DeFi.
Yes.
And personally, what AI tools are you use in your life? Maybe in crypto, maybe for other things. What you use as AI tools?
I use AI a lot, but on the tools side, I don't think I'm an expert. I use a lot GPT-4o and Grok. Yeah. And for Grok, I usually just get some data, get some information about on X, especially crypto stuff. And then on GPT, I need a lot of help for content creating, or correcting my grammar error, or even communication. Yeah. And then for coding, I use Copilot as well.
Copilot.
Yeah. And then I forgot one very important AI tool. It's called DeepWiki. Yeah. It's a tool that you can share the open source GitHub repo to this AI tool, and then it can have a very detailed documentation and even draw the logic picture out to analytic this GitHub repo. And then I use this to do no matter security checking for our own products, understanding more about our product because we have so many products. I want to just no more detail on till a smart contract level. So it's helped me to speed up a lot.
Great.
And also, I used it to like do the ecosystem or even out of Sui ecosystems, smart contract or any GitHub repo research. Because you just need to throw the GitHub repo there, and then it can output the documentation, logic picture, and you can even communicate with it. For example, like find some potential like a weakness, logic weakness or technical weakness from the smart contract, or you can tell him that maybe if you using Scallop SDK, you can tell this deep wiki to maybe write an example of Scallop flash long code and then share it with me. So yeah, my answer is GPT-4, Fork, and then Copilot, and then deep wiki. And use it from angles including content, writing, information, data, coding, and analytics, due diligence, security, every angle. I think I cannot live without AI, bro.
And the last question, speaking about security, you are expert in cybersecurity and AI. In what conditions you will use AI agent for your crypto assets?
Oh,
For example, personally you.
this is a tough question because I like to farm. I mean, from my phone, and then just like I cannot live without internet. So I do manually trading or management a lot.
Okay.
But yeah, to answer your question, I also share this on the stage just like a minute ago. It's about how this AI like will make the same decision like me,
Yes.
even while I'm sleeping or I'm on a flight, or how it can be like customized or like fit like what I need. For example, it must have some smart feature that can escape from some black swan event, right? For example, if my position is all about like USDT, this agent should like can find out that USDT maybe black swan happened and it's depegging, and then it will automatically swap to other most secure stable.
Yes.
Without notice, without like any of my approval, because maybe that time I was on the flight or sleeping. I think if an AI agent can reach this level,
Okay.
like let's make the same decision like me always, and then even make something that's make some decision before me, like when I was not there, and then also it have enough transparency, make sure it's like open source, no any like weird
open
code.
source?
Yeah, security, open source, transparency. It's similar with you using DeFi protocol. Yeah, you need to avoid like some evil code, supply chain attack, or like any bad design. So yeah, if this the condition all complete, I will do it. And although this sounds a little bit far, but I mean, just look at crypto. Like 5 to 10 years ago, the things you can do on blockchain and then compare with now, you can do a lot of more things on blockchain. So I think we only need time, and then it's getting closer and closer every day. We are still a little bit early, but like yeah, we are the front runners, right? So
I think we all need Kris AI agent.
sometimes I will make mistakes, so I still need AI, right? Yeah, human is like human all have vulnerability. So thank you for your words.
Not a financial advice.
Yeah, not financial advice.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Great.
Yeah.